Hi everybody, my name is Derek. It is Thursday, the 15th of April 2010, and I did a video yesterday that was entitled, The Economy, Are You Paying Attention? So I'll make this a part 2 to this video, and apparently many people, myself included, are not paying attention. The reason why is because apparently if we could not see how things are getting better within our economy with the current monetary policies, well, we must not be paying attention. And I'm doing my best to try and figure this out, and thus far, still no luck, which means ultimately, I guess I'm not paying attention. So let me go through this article written by the Associated Press and see if I can pay attention to it and find how things are getting better. We'll start off. Stock mostly fell in. I'm gonna pay attention enough to know that this should have an S. Maybe this page will be updated by the time that you can see it. I don't know, but it says on the article stock mostly fell. This is copy and pasted from the web page. Moving on. Stocks mostly fell in early trading Thursday after a report showed initial claims for unemployment benefits rose unexpectedly for the second straight week. Data on industrial production also fell short but did not show growth for the ninth straight month. Interesting. Moving on, we see any disappointment over those reports is being somewhat tempered by a strong regional manufacturing report and upbeat earnings outlook from UPS. So apparently, if we are seeing disappointing reports, and what we're supposed to do is just take a look at something else, like, well, how much money another company is making, which would help the rich get richer and poor getting poorer. But hey, don't listen much to me. I may not be paying attention. Stocks pulled back after five straight days of gains, pushed the Dow Industrial above 11,000, the S&P above 1,200 for the first time in 18 months. Investors, overseas markets were mixed, and investors received a second straight week of, once again, I gotta change this. I really, really do. Gamblers received a second straight week of disappointing jobs data. The Labor Department said first time requests for jobless benefits rose by 24,000 to a seasonally adjusted 484,000 last week, the highest level since late February. Economists polled by Thomson Reuters on average forecast a drop to 440,000. High unemployment is considered a key stumbling block to a strong, sustained economic recovery. And, well, this is where I might not be paying attention because I don't know how this can be the case. After all, Mr. Ben Bernanke has been saying for well over a year that this economic recovery was going to take place as a jobless recovery. And I don't know how this must tell me that I'm not paying attention. So, what can we as humans do to pay attention more? I know myself, I remember going back to school and having teachers say, Derek, you're not paying attention. Please pay me some attention. I remember hearing that a lot, and I wish that I could have very, very easily. But unfortunately, at the time, I did not. So I thought, well, what can I do to make sure I can pay attention? Very easy, and I came up with an amazing, amazing idea. And here it is. You just print this on a nice little piece of paper, and whenever somebody asks, are you going to pay me some attention? Then you can pay them one of these. And if somebody says, well, you really cannot pay attention by giving someone a piece of paper like this, it just does not work. It doesn't work. And if you are saying that, well, then you are proving my point. Have yourself a magnificent day.